I just want to share a way of saving large USD asset in a bad, not how it's supposed to be way, but a working way, an alternative way. If flash data after each frame is not working for you for whatever reason, and you need to finish whatever you have to finish, this is an alternative. So you specify frame range. By the way, it's a manual approach. By specifying a start and end frame range, saving a USD file. And this is a second USD file where rendering happened in my case. And here I have a switch for all of the simulation of the popcorn. And I'm using a switch node to switch between all of the USD files, which has a specific frame range. So this switch is used to check if the current frame is greater from whatever frame I specify here. If the condition is true, the switch will happen. So for example, in this case, in this switch, if the frame range is greater than 94, the first input will be used. Then if the frame is greater than 125, the second input will be used, and so on and so forth to the last input. The order of the if statements is important here. If the if statement of the last input will be placed in the first place, what condition won't be satisfied of this if statement, because it will be already satisfied by this if statement, if it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, just play around with the if statement, as you can see here. If it doesn't make any sense, that's okay, it will. And if it makes sense, that's great. Thank you. See you soon.